Google Sheets, how to merge cells. If you want to merge cells on Google Sheets, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch Google Sheets, and when you launch Google Sheets, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see right here. Now, what you have to do from here is basically, let's say I want to merge this whole cells right here. I will select the whole column like this. Once I do that, at the top, I can see the format option. Go to format. Here you can see merge cells. Now I can choose to merge all, merge vertically, merge horizontally, or unmerge, or whatever else it is. So I can select multiple cells as well if I want to. I can click on format. Then I can click on this merge option right there, and then I'll be able to go ahead and then basically merge them all together by clicking this merge vertically option and clicking the OK button. And this way you'll be able to merge cells on Google Sheets. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.